Hello every geeks there. I'm Deepa here to make teach you Android application development. So today Android is in boom because you know importance of Android application in this digital world. And let me tell you developing Android application is very easy and I'm here to make development even more easy by teaching you very basics of Android. The main funda of this video is to attract students of the college towards coding in their early college life so that they can better understand what exactly happens in a corporate world and how theory they learn presently learn is related to coding. So the output of this tutorial will make students to handle their final year projects on their self and directly enter to the corporate world without any courses like a Java. And this class tutorial is from Happy Coding. So what you need for Android application development is just three things. That is development platform, that is Eclipse or Android Studio. Usually Eclipse is a more easier than Android Studio, but Android Studio have more options than Eclipse. But for the status, I suggest Eclipse. And second one, what we require is some basic knowledge of Java. There is no restriction that you only need to know Java. Even it is okay if you know C and C++. So meanwhile, while learning this Android application development, you will learn the Java hand in hand. And the third one you require is your second husband or wife, that is your Android smartphone. And so how we use Android phone. So once you start development, make these below settings in your phone. That is, go to settings and then go to developer option. And when you press the developer option, you will come up with this screen and then tick this debugging option. And next is how to install Eclipse. So to in this tutorial, I will continue developing with the Eclipse so that the starters can better understand how to deal with the Android application development. So when we go in higher version, when we learn the Android somewhat, then we can shift it to Android Studio. So go to the below link to download the Eclipse, or you can also Google as download Eclipse. I will show you how to install the Eclipse bundle in your PC, and you also need the JDK to support the Eclipse or even Android Studio. So let me show you how to download and install the Eclipse. So search as download Eclipse. You can search or you can go to the first link or anywhere somewhere else if you know exactly where it is. So I am going to the first link, Eclipse download. And from here, I will search. Yes, it's here. Download 64-bit. Because my PC is of 64-bit, so I'm downloading 64-bit Eclipse for me. Now it is started to download here. The downloaded file will be found in your downloads folder. So now I am in a downloads folder. Here the bundle which is downloaded. Then I will go to the Eclipse option. Then I will find the Eclipse here. So before that, execute SDK manager and then go to Eclipse folder and then open application, because in Eclipse there is no need to install the Eclipse and uninstall Eclipse, because you can directly open from the folder, and then if you want to uninstall it, you just delete the folder which you downloaded, so it's gone from your PC. So this is how we open or we use the Eclipse to development of Android application. So this is the platform, this is the Eclipse. So let me start coding or building your first Android application. So I know after installing the platform or after installing the Eclipse, you can't sit back with excitement. So let me tell you how to develop the Android application. So first go to File, then New, and then choose Android Application Project. So here it will ask you the name of your application. Let us give it as Happy Coding. Okay, Happy Coding. Then press Next. Then again Next. Then again Next. Or here, if you want to um, set your own icon for your application, then you can browse and then you can set your own image here. By default it will take some of these one of these image, and next and blank activity, and then it is a main activity. Main activity is the one which is launched before everyone. The application will start execution from the main activity. You can also rename it if you want, and else you can leave it as it is. So I'm going with this and finish. Yeah, this is what you look when you create the full application. Okay, so this is the XML file, and we will be having two folders here. One is main activity.java. This is Java file where you put all your logics to execute. Whatever you want, you will put here. And this one is XML file. That's what we are looking here. This is the activity underscore main XML file, and the graphical view of this will be this one. This is the graphical view which user will view. So, and then this is the Java file. So let us first execute this one and see how it works. To execute this application, you can also execute and see on your PC. Here you will be having the virtual devices, just they are just like your phone, or you can also execute this on your phone. To execute on your phone, just connect your phone and with the settings that I have previously mentioned, and then you press here, right click here, and then run as an Android application, so that you will be popping with one video, one of the prompt here. So now I'm installing it on my virtual device, that is Andy. So before this, let me tell you how to um, So let me tell you how to create the virtual device on your PC. Okay, now go to Android Virtual Device Manager. Already have created one, and if you want a new, then go to new and name it as Android or anything you want, and then select a device whatever you want. I'm just selecting an XS, and target is API level 10, and you can increase it to any extent, but some if you set API level 17, it may not support for some devices. For a basic version, we have to set the API level to 10, and then the RAM it is asking, and a VM heap, and let them be as it is, and then press OK. Yeah, here what is created. It is just like your phone, you have every options in this one, and then go to start, launch. Now it is starting. The Android virtual device is starting. This would you look after it launched. So now run your application on virtual device as run as Android application. So as it is